Autogenic relaxation is the focus on the pleasant sensations of warmth and heaviness coming into your body. Practicing this method will help you to become more skilled at being aware of your body, where you feel tension, and replacing the tension with pleasant warmth and soothing heaviness. To begin, allow yourself to find a comfortable position. Now, begin to scan your body from head to foot. You don't need to change anything right now, but just focus on being aware of your body. Notice the areas of tension in your body. Allow yourself to just be aware. Now take a slow breath. Notice your breath fully. Notice the air as it comes into your body, and notice the air as it leaves your body. Inhale. Exhale. Notice how your body relaxes as you exhale. Inhale. Exhale. As you take each breath, let yourself focus on the areas of your body where you are holding tension, and begin to let those areas relax a little more with each breath. As you continue to breathe slowly and rhythmically, let's begin the autogenic relaxation. Start by focusing on your feet. Notice as you focus on your feet, they are becoming warm, heavy, and relaxed. Notice the warmth and heaviness in your toes, in the soles of your feet, and the top of your feet. The warmth and heaviness is soothing and relaxing. Focus on your left foot. Tell yourself, my left foot is warm, my left foot is heavy, my left foot is warm and heavy. Now focus on your right foot. Tell yourself, my right foot is warm, my right foot is heavy, my right foot is warm and heavy. Now focus on your left leg and repeat. My left ankle is warm. My left ankle is heavy. My left ankle is warm and heavy. Notice the pleasant relaxation coming into your left leg. Tell yourself, my left leg is warm. My left leg is heavy. My left leg is warm and heavy. Now focus on your right ankle. Tell yourself, my right ankle is warm. My right ankle is heavy. My right ankle is warm and heavy. Notice the pleasant relaxation coming into your right leg. Tell yourself, my right leg is warm. My right leg is heavy. My right leg is warm and heavy. Notice the pleasant, soothing warmth and heaviness in both of your legs as you tell yourself, my legs are warm, my legs are heavy, my legs are warm and heavy, so pleasant and soothing. Continuing to feel the warmth and heaviness in your legs, turn your attention to your hands. Notice the warmth and heaviness coming into each of your fingers, your palms, the top of your hands, your wrists, very soothing and relaxing. Focus on your left hand and repeat. My left fingers are warm. My left fingers are heavy. My left fingers are warm and heavy. My left hand is warm. My left hand is heavy. My left hand is warm and heavy. My left wrist is warm. My left wrist is heavy. My left wrist is warm and heavy. Now as you focus on your right hand, repeat, my right fingers are warm. My right fingers are heavy. My right fingers are warm and heavy. My right hand is warm. My right hand is heavy. My right hand is warm and heavy. My right wrist is warm. My right wrist is heavy. My right wrist is warm and heavy. Let yourself enjoy the soothing sensations of the warmth and heaviness in your hands as you tell yourself, my hands are warm, my hands are heavy, my hands are warm and heavy. Now focus on your left arm and repeat, my left arm is warm, my left arm is heavy, my left arm is warm and heavy. Then focus on your right arm and repeat, my right arm is warm, my right arm is heavy, my right arm is warm and heavy. The warm heaviness feels so relaxing. You enjoy the pleasant, soothing sensation of the warmth and heaviness in your arms and legs. Focus on the warmth and heaviness coming into your shoulders. Tell yourself, my shoulders feel warm, my shoulders feel heavy, my shoulders feel warm and heavy. Now focus on the core of your body. Notice the warmth in the center of your body near your stomach. Notice that warmth beginning to spread throughout your core. Say to yourself, the core of my body is warm, the core of my body is heavy, the core of my body is warm and heavy. Feel the warmth and heaviness radiate from the center of your body. Feel it spreading up through your chest and shoulders, into your neck, the sides, the back, the front of your neck, and spreading up to the top of your head. Feel the soothing, pleasant relaxation. You feel the muscles in your forehead smoothing out and becoming very relaxed. You feel the relaxation throughout your body. Tell yourself, my entire body is relaxed. My entire body feels a soothing warmth. My entire body feels a pleasant heaviness. My entire body feels warm and heavy. Take a few moments to enjoy the soothing relaxation. Allow yourself to enjoy each breath as you experience the soothing warmth and pleasant heaviness throughout your body. Whenever you're ready, you may begin to stretch your body and come back to full awareness, feeling refreshed, alert, and relaxed.